Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're all doing well today. I'm back, guys, with the Fearless Momma 2.0, and I had something typed up really nice on a PowerPoint, and I'm having problems with it. So anyway, I made some notes and jotted it down. But I want to show you guys how what I'm planning to do, and what I've started to do is I'm using the Fearless Momma as an education source to get marketing strategies and the value that it offers, and pour it back into my other biz ops that I'm using, okay, that I'm promoting. One that I've already implemented is there was a solo ad, two solo ad providers I had never used before that was in this Fearless Momma training, okay. So I've already implemented that, and I started using that solo ad provider for one of my other biz ops, okay? And then now I've started to use it for the Fearless Momma, okay? So that's some value. That's what I mean. You're taking what you're learning over here, and you're going to implement it in your other business opportunities, okay? So I'm just going to show you some stuff I had kind of jotted down. Like I said, I had it on a PowerPoint, but couldn't get it to do what I needed to do. So this is where we are. We're going to say Fearless Momma 2.0 is the live mastermind training right here. Okay, this is going to be kind of like the hierarchy. So if I get someone that's interested in learning internet marketing and they give me a call, hey, I'm going to say, go right here. This way you can get the live training, and not only is Fearless Momma Mastermind training, guys, but you're going to get ongoing training. Because as you know, our digital education is digital education. You get a file, you get the videos, but you don't have that interaction as you would with a mastermind, because you're going to have live training on Mondays. So you're going to be amongst your peers and be able to ask questions and see what other questions people are asking that maybe you wanted to ask. They're going to ask that question and you get your answer. Okay, so to be able to have that live interaction is going to make the difference in just getting digital education in a file. Okay, and it's ongoing. That makes a difference. You're just not going to get it today, but it'll be ongoing. So you'll have a central location to get this information. So when people start asking, well, how did you do this, or where did you get that from, it's going to be the mastermind training. So once you jump aboard of that, pay your $250. There's no admin fees. You're going to be able to learn and earn and take that information. If you're in another business op like I am, I'm going to use that information and I'm going to implement it in my other business opportunities, okay? So that source that I was speaking of, I've already started running some traffic for my other business opportunities. So right there, I've taken some value from my $250 investment and placed it into another part of my business in my portfolio, okay? So that's what it's about. It's about being, utilizing things as a stepping stone, taking that information and implementing it elsewhere. So you're going to take that information. For example, I'm in the Funnel X ROI. It gives you step-by-step training. There's 5 income streams within that, guys, okay? And yes, Easy One Up has digital education in it. But again, they're interactive training, and the ongoing current training is what we're lacking. So we'll be able to pick that up in the mastermind training, okay? Because you'll be able to interact with other entrepreneurs like yourself. Now, and I got the word that actually Easy One Up is going to be adding another level, $2,500 level, okay? We'll talk about that more. Give me a call. I'll tell you about that. Okay, so traffic sources. Okay, I'm using SMS Phone Leads, SMS Lead Network. I'm using solo ads, the ringless voicemail, and real-time traffic. That's another source that I use often, and I'll be happy to share that with you once you come aboard with me. So I'll be able to take that source that I got from up here in the Fearless Momma Mastermind and add that down here, okay, to one of my traffic sources that I can share, okay? So that's what it's about, taking the education and implementing it into your other businesses, okay? And again, we're still talking about the tools I'm using, the turnkey marketing system, the Vertex lead system, okay? Same concept. take information from the Fearless Momma, go over to the Vertex lead system, and I can also implement that there as well, because I'm using the SMS Phone Leads incorporated in the Vertex lead system at mobilemoney.ws. So I can also take that solo provider if I do choose to do that, and I can send some traffic over here. Okay, even though I'm sending text messages out, you have to understand, guys, there's more than one way to market. Okay, multiple ways. You need to be marketing multiple ways. It's not just one way. Okay, so I'm not just sending text messages. I'm sending text messages. I'm sending solo ads. I'm using real-time traffic. Okay, all these different things. I'm running ads now. I'm getting more into the ads. And I also found pretty interesting in the Fearless Momma, there's an overview about Craigslist. Okay, so a lot of people are trying to get into the Craigslist training, and I've started to tap into that myself. So I took some of that knowledge and I'm implementing that in my copy paste system, which I should add that down here too. Copy and paste ads. Let's add that as well. Okay, the copy paste ad system, you make $100 instant commission. Okay, $149 one time, and you get instant $100 commission. So what I found from what she showed in this mastermind, there were some pointers I took from that about the Craigslist, and I'm going to be implementing it right here. Okay, let me just highlight that real quick. I'm going to implement that in the copy paste ad system. Okay, because I do have some sources for that. I know a lot of people have been reaching out to me on that, but that's for my people that join me in the copy paste ad system, where I did find a place where you can place ads as low as $4, actually lower than that. But I did $4 for a 3-day ad and turned around and made $100 over and over and over, you know, in this classified section. Okay, and I'll share that with you again once you join me. Let me go ahead and put that down here too. That one's easyprofit100.com. Okay, if you want to get into the copy paste ads, it's doing really well. Like I said, I've implemented the solo ad provider that I found out about in the Fearless Momma. I've implemented it already in 2 of my biz ops. Okay, and I can see the difference in the traffic flow and the leads. Okay, so that's what it's about, guys. Using Fearless Momma as your mastermind education center. Okay, so you want to go there, get educated, you know, learn while you earn, so you still be able to make $250 a sale. And for those of you that's wanting to come in easy one up at these higher levels, the $1,000 and the $2,000, now the $2,500 level, that's a great place to start, because you can save those $250 commissions, and then, you know, jump over. Just 4 of those will bring you over to easy one up at $1,000 level. Okay, of course you add the admin fee to it, $110, but I'm just saying, use the Fearless Momma, okay, as a feeder to get people over into easy one up. Even though easy one up has a $250 level, but you lose your Passups. See, with the $250 over in the Fearless Momma, you don't lose commissions. You keep all your commissions, and they're not even charging you an admin fee. Okay, so that way you don't have any Passups. Because if you come over an easy one up at the $250 level, and someone comes in at the $500 level, any of those higher levels, you lose those commissions. You won't even make your $250. Okay, so I'm trying to save you some time and money. So if you're interested in coming into the higher levels and easy one up, start here at the Fearless Momma, get educated, and jump aboard to easy one up. If you just want to do the copy paste ads and not even worry about learning internet marketing, any of that, that's fine too. Come and copy paste an ad system. Post ads, we show you some places. We've got 100 places where you can post those ads. And like I said, I've got a couple places that I've been using that's been working very good for me. Come there, only $149 one time. Okay, and you're going to make those $100 instant commissions. So that's how I'm going to use the Fearless Momma, as an education. Okay, every Monday showing up to see what, what's new, what I can take away, what nuggets am I going to learn today. And if you miss it, you can go back and it's going to be recorded. But the point of the matter is I can actually put my hands on that training at any point in time. Okay, that $250 is well spent. Trust me. Okay, because if you spend that $250 and you get that traffic source, or those traffic sources that you've never used before, and you turn around and you go to Easy One Up and get $1,000 sale, if you're at those levels, do you think that's worth it? I think so. It was well worth $250 to spend to get that source to use in another program, okay, at the higher ticket levels, because I'm positioned to receive those higher commissions. Okay, so again, that's what I'm going to do, and I highly recommend you do the same. If you don't have a business, you're trying to figure out where you want to be, come into the Fearless Momma with me. Okay, pay your $250, no admin, you're good to go. Okay, and you still can place ads for $250. Tammy was talking about ads. She does a lot of ads as well, not just solos, but she's big on ads. Okay, so I've got the goods on that. So see how I can take ads from what I'm learning down here. See, it all goes hand in hand. I've got information from copy and paste ads that I can use to advertise the Fearless Momma and make $250 a pop. And then there's education here in the Fearless Momma for solos that I can take to use on my copy and paste system, right? So this Fearless Momma teaches you, okay, different strategies that you may not be aware of that you can use, guys. All right, so that's kind of where I am with that. Just wanted you to see that. The other day I just wanted to intro that I had joined the program. Check this out. I want to show you this real quick, and I'm going to let you guys go. The sales page, once you opt in, you go here, you get this video, and then they also throw right here, okay, a solo swipe. How about that? Once you join, look at that, how to create influx of leads. It's PDF. That's pretty hot. Now I'm going to go over to one of the other pages also in the Fearless Momma. I like this page. I'm going to show you this one. Okay, so we have this page, and it kind of explains everything. So I'm waiting for this screen. I was going to say you're being recorded. Wi-Fi location. Hold on one second. Hold on one second. It's recording.
Oh, it is. Oh,
uh-huh. Huh. Okay, hold on one second. Let's see. Yeah, somebody walked in the back. I was letting them know it's being recorded. Okay, so let me show you this page real quick. If it will ever come up. Hang on a second.